What is soft washing? Soft washing is the alternative to pressure washing. But why do we use the word soft washing? Where did it come from? Well, soft washing is a word that came out of the USA a few years ago, and many roof cleaners, pressure washing companies, that kind of industry here in the UK jumped on the word soft washing. It sounded sexy. People wanted it, but they didn't really understand what it was about. Well, soft washing is the alternative to pressure washing. It uses very low pressure, it uses biodegradable chemicals, and will not harm the surfaces that it's used for treating. Things like roofs, render, driveways, patios, when soft washed, will last 4 to 6 times longer than if they were pressure washed. Now, that doesn't mean to say soft washing companies may not need to use pressure washing, but there's different surfaces would need different types of equipment to ensure that they're cleaned safely. So soft washing is used primarily to kill organic matter.